In my hand is a fine silver Bitcoin round. Yes, this is what I believe in. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. Do I think digital currency is the future? Yes. But I also believe in precious metals, is what I exchange my fiat for. I listen to the likes of Peter Schiff.
There's nothing elegant about losing your money in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not going up. In fact, Bitcoin peaked 2.5 years ago at about 37 ounces of gold. As we speak now, it's worth less than 27 ounces. That's a 27% decline in 2.5 years. This is a bear
Right.
market. Bitcoin is going much lower than this.
A few moments later.
Bitcoin just hit $100,000 for the first time in history. What an epic milestone.
That one didn't age quite so well.
Yes, I was with Peter Schiff. I believe that the sudden drop of Bitcoin was a sign that the digital currency has fizzled out. I jumped back in crypto this month. Call it a case of FOMO. I should have stayed in, but I jumped ship at 14K. I'm not the only one who regretted
Do
it,
I
though.
regret not buying it when I first learned about it? Of course. I mean, what idiot wouldn't regret it? In fact, everybody who bought Bitcoin, in 2010 regrets that they didn't buy more. I mean, you'd have to be a moron, right? Because look at what happened, right? Hindsight is 2020.
Right.
So sure, could I have been a billionaire had I bought Bitcoin when I first heard about it? Yes, I would be a billionaire. I think I'll be a billionaire eventually anyway without Bitcoin, but yeah, I would have got there a lot quicker had I taken that shortcut. So sure, yeah, I regret that.
Like Peter Schiff said, hindsight is 2020. I wanted to make some quick money in 2018, so I was in and out. I didn't even use my legend, Nano S. I'm sure it's outdated today. They got new cold wallets. I'm sure I'm going to have to go pick one up. Not your keys, not your cheese, or something like that. Just like precious metals. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. The difference is that metals, I can feel it, I can see it, it's real. Now, this digital currency, I can see the numbers go up. I can see the money it makes. I can see when it rises. I can see when it drops. But my precious metals, I can put in my safe, a safe deposit box, pass it on to my loved ones. The digital currency, even though it's being accepted more, I still a little leery of it. I do believe in technology. I believe it is the future. So I have to learn to, I guess, adapt a little bit. But precious metals is something I will always stack. I will have to warm up to this cold wallet, they call it, right? I'm going to have to understand and learn the technology of the blockchain, the value of Bitcoin. But I'm so used to holding my metals in my hand. Even if it's a Bitcoin fine silver round. It's beautiful, isn't it? Bitcoin has got to $100,000. Is it possible that one day it will get to 1 million? Will it be accepted worldwide? Will it be something that we will use on a daily basis? I don't know. For sure, we use silver, we use gold, legal tender. This Bitcoin is still confusing to some. I took my coins and my rounds and I turned them to rings. And that's how I generate extra cash, right? But with Bitcoin, which is the future, we'll soon see exactly what it would do for us. Continue to collect and stack your precious metals. But if you dabble into cryptocurrency and see what it does for you. But this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I did.
JT Coin Rings. Handcrafts, handmade jewelry. Especially for you.